Unique benefits of international trade. International trade offers lots of advantages to individuals and countries as well. This is the main reason why the business has thrived over the years despite challenges. Let us take a look at some of the most outstanding benefits associated with it. Lower product costs. This benefit results from two major reasons. First, it is easier for manufacturers to produce goods overseas at lower prices. This is especially the case in large manufacturing zones like China, where economies of scale reduce production costs significantly. This advantage is passed on to consumers in the form of lower prices. A second way in which this is achieved through high competition. In the past, when one company had a monopoly over a large area, they would take advantage of this and charge whatever prices they deemed fit. But in many cases today, there are numerous traders from different countries fighting to offer the best possible prices. High competition consistently brings prices down to the least possible profitable price. Efficiency in production processes. The high competition also forces manufacturers to try and offer the most efficient in their operations. Some choose to come up with new ways to produce the same products. Others opt to improve existing processes for optimal efficiency. More efficient processes usually result in lower energy consumption, decreased use of raw materials, lower labor costs, and many other advantages. This boon is again passed on to the consumer and they get higher quality products for lower prices. This often leads to more eco-friendly processes that reduce their toll on the environment. Product variety. Climate changes and other environmental factors greatly limit the kind of food we can access during any given season. This would mean going without a favorite fruit or other food product for as long as conditions are unfavorable for its growing or processing. But international trade has made it possible to access almost anything all year round. It has also made it possible for less developed nations to gain from the technology in their more advanced counterparts. This is why almost everyone in the world now has access to electronic products like cell phones, TV sets, washing machines, refrigerators, laptops, among others, regardless of their location. This has served to improve the living standards of those in isolated places or third world countries that do not manufacture such items. The market for surplus produce. This benefit comes in handy, particularly for agriculture-based economies. Farm produce inherently perishable and you have a surplus of it. You either need to get market fast or watch it rot. There are countries whose climate and geological conditions highly favor the production of one kind of food. This makes farmers tend to concentrate on that particular product as they are sure it will excel. But when it does excel and everyone has an abundance of it, then they are forced to sell at throwaway prices just to get rid of the surplus. With the export market ever at the ready, however, this no longer has to be the case. There is almost always a market that needs that surplus products and a means to get it there. The same is true for manufactured products. At times, production companies flood the market with similar products and supply overwhelms demand. At such times, overseas markets take up the excess and keep the manufacturers profitable. Market fluctuation management. All markets in every part of the world are subject to highs and lows. There are certain periods of the year, for instance, when the demand for warm winter clothing is at an all-time high. But when summer comes, no one needs them anymore and suppliers would have to rest till the next winter comes around. However, on the international market, there has to be at least one country that needs armed clothing at any given time. This makes it easy for suppliers to remain in business all year round. moving with the season to take advantage of demand. This has helped traders to mitigate the effects of seasonal sales fluctuations and enjoy sustainable profitability and growth. Congratulations! You have officially learned the basics of international trade and business for beginners. Now start booming and make the world your business. Also, if you would like to learn more about international trade, you can watch videos here on my YouTube channel. Now I would like to hear your thoughts. I want to make sure you get this and prove it to me. I want you to do a couple of things for me. 1. Hook me up with a thumbs up, and number 2, comment below with an I get it. I just want to make sure you understand these basic subjects of international trade and business because they are underlying foundation behind all the scenes of import-export works. So comment below with an I get it, use the hashtag Team Murat if you are a part of Team Murat, and subscribe to my channel here. So go out there and make some trade, be confident and realize that you can export and import at the same time. Yes, make sure you catch some of the other videos over here. We got some good stuff coming your way, so make sure you subscribe to my channel here. Thanks again, click over here to keep going. Bye.